Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Power BI in Accessible Design. If you are gearing up for the Power BI Data Visualization World Championship, you know accessibility is a game changer. Just having a look here on their website, and you can see that accessibility is worth up to 10 points. And they will assess tab order, alt text, and color contrast. Last video, I show you how to know your color contrast. And today we're going to tackle something else that is very easy to miss, but it's super important. That is tab order. Let's have a look. So what is tab order? Well, imagine navigating a report without a mouse, using only the tab key. Tab order controls the sequence in which visuals, buttons, and filters get selected. If it is random, it's going to be very frustrating. And if it's logical, your report becomes intuitive for keyboard users and those using screen readers as well. Tab order ensures users with disabilities can navigate your report logically without getting lost. Now, let's clear up a common confusion. Tab order is not the same as layer order. Tab order controls the navigation flow when using the keyboard. And layer order controls the visual stacking. So for example, which object appears on the top or behind others. Now I'm going to show you in Power BI what it means. So I have here this page. And if you go on the selection pane, you're going to see first layer order. That's not where we're looking. And then we can select tab order. And I'm going to demonstrate how frustrating it will be if you're using the tab key. I'm going to select my title, that is the first. I'm going to hit my tab key, and it's going to go right to the bottom of the page where there is a button saying to go to the next page. And then now it goes back up to the top to the slicer, and then it goes randomly to different elements on the page. So it doesn't have a logical order. And fixing that is very, very easy. So I already have that my title is position number 1. So I have here number 1 text box. And then after my title, I want my viewers to go to see my slicer with the location. So it's on the position of number 6. All I have to do is click the button, the arrow going up to fix that. And you can do that for all the elements that you have. There we go. And then after the second slicer, I want my KPIs card. I'm going to go put it to position number 4. And then I want my map with all the quantities by location to be at position 5. Then I want the column chart with all the quantities, which is right at the bottom. And I'm going to be at, it's going to send it to position number 6. And then I want the other column chart with shipping averages to position number 7. And then there is a little, there is also a little slicer here specifically for the visual, and that has to be right after the visual. So it's going to be position number 8. And then I have here the revenue by location. That's going to be the second last element. And then finally, my next page button is going to be at the right place. So I'm going to demonstrate now. If I click and start from the top and start with my tab key, now you can see that the order of the elements is correct. So I really hope you start making use of our tab order, not only to get some extra points on the championships, but as well to make your report more accessible. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Goodbye, and see you on the next video.